Hello, Professor Moore. I'm so excited to share this with you. This will show you how to import a course into Canvas. Now there's two major steps that I am missing here. The first step is that you have a Canvas page. You may not even have that yet. The second step is to get you added to this development site, which again, you might not be added to. But once we get those two steps done, then we are ready to go. So the first thing I wanted to point out is this is a dev site, and it means that everything is already built in here. So you can see it has kind of a weird name. This isn't an official class, but I went through and I updated everything for fall. Okay, I lied, not everything. I am not ready for 4. I have to redo this, and then I'll also have to redo part of this one. So before September 21st, we'll come back and import 4 and 5 to be updated. And I'll show you how to do that. I'll walk through that once I get those done. I'm just not ready for that today. There's also announcements that are like slightly out of date. And so what I'll probably do is just delete these so that we can, actually no, I'm going to leave them and then maybe we can edit them. I'll leave the welcome, and actually let me just take these off, or I'll have you do it on your own. But every week I do an announcement. This might not make sense just because I talk about summer a lot, and usually like throughout the semester, these are like the one things that I do redo. But let me go ahead and take that off. Give me 1 sec, I'm working. Sorry, Cassie. So, once you have been added to Canvas and you've been added to this dev site, what you're going to do is you will see your classes listed here under published or unpublished courses. It just depends on where you're at with it. But it should look just like this. So here's Interior Design 1250. Yours will say probably 502 because you're the second course. So go ahead and click onto it. And then it's going to be completely empty, which is fine. And what we're going to do is import existing content. Sorry, I did that kind of fast. So over here on the far right, I'm going to dance around. Click on Import Existing Content. And under Content Type, we want to copy a Canvas course. And now we want to find that dev site. And again, you won't have it yet, but as soon as you do, this is the one that we want. Okay, that's what we want. We want all content. Don't adjust the events and due dates because I have them set to line up for fall. And then you hit import, and this will take a few minutes. It's pretty big. I'm just going to wait and let it run just to give you an idea of how long it might take so you can skip through until you see this blue line complete. I don't want to pause the video recording because it'll take longer to start it up than to pause it. But then as soon as this imports, you'll see that we now have a class, and there will only be a few more things for you to edit so that it's your class and not my class. So close. Okay, so it's done. Let me see what the one issue is. Okay, missing links. Where is that missing link? Okay, I lost an image here. No problem. I can get an image back here. So from here, and you know what, Cassie, I just realized I will update this, but now that this is here, if we go home, you see everything has been imported, and when I click on Module 1, Module 1 overview. Yep, this looks great, except I have the old image, darn. So I'll update that so it has the right date here for you. Let me go back home. Now, the only thing that you will have to update when you get it is where it says contact me. Just go ahead and put all of your information in here. And then also under, like, I think it's module 1, the welcome and intro, I think it would be best if you recorded your own video, or maybe you can record one plus this one. It's totally up to you. And you know, I'm going to keep finding a little bit of mistakes like this. I'll let you know when I do so that you can update it too. I've tried to go through everything. But that's it for now. If you, once you get there, let me know and we can just walk through it together. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this with you. Thanks, Cass.